What's in the camel hump? Camels first used to dwell in the Arctic tundra. In the ice and snow surrounded all around. I know it sounds weird, because now camels dwell in the deserts. Scientists had announced in 2013 that they found mummified leg bones on Ellesmere Island. This leg bone had belonged to the ancestors of the modern-day camels. Scientists believe that it is because of this frigid tundra the camels got hump. During the Ice Age many mammals died due to severe climatic conditions, but the camels managed to survive. But what actually helped the camels to survive? That is their hump. The hump of the camel is filled with fat. But a lot of people think that the hump is filled with water. This fat in the hump nourishes the camel during long journeys. Each hump can store about 36 kilograms of fat, which may help them sustain for months. This hump is like a food storing place for the camels. After surviving the Ice Age in the frigid tundra, the camels eventually migrated to the regions of Asia and Africa. Animals which are present in the frigid zone do not easily adapt to the hot climatic temperatures. But there is an exception for camels. Because of the hump, the camel could sustain any type of climate. It could be hot or cold temperatures. Isn't that amazing? Camels store the fat in only one spot, that is their hump. But we humans store fat all over the body. This feature in camels is useful for keeping them cool in hot climates. As the fat is stored in only one place of the body, the other place is easily radiated out of the body and thus cools the body. So humps store fat. Then how do the camels stay hydrated during hot climates? Camels have a unique type of cells all over the body. These cells are elastic and therefore all able to store a lot of water. This is why camels can drink about 115 liters in 10 minutes. So if you have learned something in this video, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.